Hi, to pair your Marshall Monitor III A.N.C with phone, as a first step, you will need to take a look at its top. Here you'll see this gold button which we need to hold for about 2 seconds, so the indicator right here will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. I'm gonna hold the button, and now this indicator should blink blue. And now we can release the button and the headphones are ready to be paired. So we need to take our phone, open settings. Here we would need to select Bluetooth section, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and find our Monitor III A.N.C in the list of other devices. And now they are connected because we can see the status connected and we can see it in the tab My Devices. If your phone does not support Bluetooth connection, you can find here this Type-C port in which you can plug the cable and then connect to the phone, and in that case your headphones will be connected as well. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.